part there is first is the stage of weight transfer fully on the foot. Then we use hip rotation to change our foot. Hip rotation for leg change. It's important. Especially it's important when you go back. So if we go back walk, we want to finish our weight transfer first, meaning we're doing pendulum, not rotation. A lot of people, why I'm saying that, a lot of people dance like this. Rotation. Rotation. So they come into rotation while they transfer weight. You have to transfer weight first during pendulum, so your hip kind of like more towards the side diagonal, you turn out the front foot. And you use your rotation to change the leg, meaning you bend your leg at that moment. So you do weight transfer and rotation to change the leg. So you don't do rotation to get into the step, right? You use your rotation to get out of the step, to change the foot, So if you do fan closing, so a lot of people do mistake there. So they go like this, bang. They kind of land in the hip rotation at the wrong time. So the hip rotation should come after you change your weight, right? Now, right now my weight 100% in the left foot. My right foot get chance to develop the beautiful lines, straight legs and everything. My hip is in the pendulum. And now when it's time to change the leg, kind of do the new step, I use my rotation to start bending this leg and collecting my feet. Boom, step, pendulum, rotation to go. Pendulum, rotation to change the foot. Rotation should not to walk into it, right? You don't rotate when you walk. You do rotation after you finish your pendulum and weight transfer. Now you do it. So you do pendulum, transfer weight, then you rotate. Step, pendulum, transfer your weight. So 100% weight is on the front foot. Rotate. Walk, 100% weight transfer. It also allows you to develop beautiful leg lines, squishing inner thighs, turn out your feet, because if you rotate again too soon, this will happen, like you start turning in, right? So you want to keep it there. Yeah, good. Dance fit, a little integration right there.